Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn how to turn off personalized search results and ads inside your Google account menu. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and navigate directly to the website address google.com. Look at the top right corner of the primary homepage interface layout and click on your profile picture, initial icon, or Google account avatar. Click on Manage your Google account. Look at the left-hand navigation sidebar layout and click directly on the tab named Data and Privacy. Scroll down past the History Settings section until you reach the dashboard area explicitly labeled Personalized Ads. Click directly on the row panel option named My Ad Center to load your centralized tracking and advertising profile dashboard. Look at the top right corner of the My Ad Center interface layout to find the primary status toggle button labeled Personalized Ads. Click directly on the toggle switch or drop-down menu item next to Personalized Ads to switch it from on to off. A confirmation pop-up window panel layout will appear detailing how your future search engine ads will become generic rather than targeted to your hobbies. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of this warning overlay box and click explicitly on the blue button labeled Turn Off. The Account Database Framework will instantly apply the privacy change, stripping out your tracking cookies and demographic metrics so that all future promotional blocks shown during your searches remain completely randomized. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.